So tell me, what animals do you see here? What animals do you see now in here? What is that? That's an ox. No, leave it. Leave it. It's not for you. It's not for you. Okay, tell me, what animals do you see in this book? Okay, who can see the lion? Who can find, there you go. How does the lion go? How does the lion go? Oh, you're scaring me. Ooh. What else do you see? Who can see the piggy? Who can see the piggies? Huh? Who can see the piggies? There you go. Good job. Who can see the elephant? Who can see the elephant? Who can see the elephant? Up? Here. You can look in here. Why don't you come over here? Oh, that's the rhino. That's the rhino. It's not the elephant. But what is this? What is this? Elephant. That's right. No, we're reading the story now. Why? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Let's see. Okay.
Noah.
It's Noah. That's right. Which Noah is this? Is it this Noah or is it this Noah? That's right. The one with the beard. All right. And what kind of animals do you see here? Do you see the fox? Do you see the orange fox? That's right. Good job. That's right. And what is this animal?
Lion.
Oh, not a lion. What's next to the lion? Black and white.
Zebra.
It's a zebra. Very good. Very good. What is this funny looking animal? What is this one?
Monkey.
It's a monkey. Good job. Good job. Where are you going? Hello? 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 Where are you going? Hello? Excuse me. What are you doing to this book? Okay. Okay, who else is left here? Okay, and look, here are all the animals leaving the ark. Say bye-bye, animals. Are you tickling Noah? Are you tickling Noah? Hey, 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 gentle, gentle. Gentle.
Close rapes.
You want to close the wipes?
No.
Yes. Good job. Good job, Lily.
There. But tissue there.
All right.
Uh-oh. I've been in the bag. Okay? A bag. Okay? No, the orange. The orange. Okay. Orange. Orange. Big? Yeah, big. Okay. That's no big. No big. That's it. Yes, this way. The orange. Yes, yes. No, I would. Would. Oh, I like no would. This. So what? It's all done. And more. More. Okay. Bubble. One. Close. That's all done. All done? Okay. Now read. Let's read and got.
All right. Are you all done with that?
Yeah.
Are all the pieces in the bag?
Yeah.
All right. Good job.
It is a
Uh-oh, we forgot one. What are we gonna do? Thank you, Noah. Good job. Uh-oh. One more piece?
Yeah.
Okay, now are you ready? No, 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 no. We don't need that in there. We don't need that in there.